So right now we're going to train the next equipment. It's called the Kaivac, just so you have a look at this is what it looks like. Boom. It's pretty much the same operation, very straightforward stuff. Let's go over the basic operation. So first we have the clean water tank. It's the yellow side. This is where the clean water goes. And then the dirty water that gets sucked in from the vacuum is in the black container. So again, clean water in the yellow, black is dirty water. All right. So here's our chemical. It's the same operation, the same way that the last one worked, the blue one, but this one is a little different. So if you take a look at this training, this knob, try to focus it so you have some better vision. Okay, so we have the vac button and a pump button, and then the chemical here is either A or B. So right now we can see that this one is connected to the A. So if we want to turn the chemical on, we just turn the valve over to A and the chemical is on. To turn on the pump, you would hit this pump button, and that means we're going to be spraying with a sprayer the same way. Like a power washer, we're going to be spraying the chemical, okay? When that's done, if you want to rinse, which is what do we rinse after? Yes. So you rinse after you spray the chemical. You turn the valve to off. See, it's in the off position, the pump still on, and then when you spray, there will be no more chemical coming out of the kablooey container or the DZ7. Finally, to vacuum, you just turn the vac on, the vac switch is on, it sucks up the water with this machine, very straightforward, and when you're done vacuuming, to empty the slop tank, or this where the dirty water goes in this black container, you just take this, you empty it into the sink, not the bathroom sink, but the slop sink, you know, one of the ones in the janitorial closets, and you'll be done, pretty much clean the bathroom. So
rinse that out when you're done.
So the last thing that you do is you want to rinse out this tank to make sure, you know, it doesn't get any buildup. It looks pretty nasty in there.
Until the water goes clean out of here too.
So you do it until the water goes clean. So just run water through this from the faucet in the sink, from the hose, until clean water is coming out of the exit hose. Okay? So again, pretty straightforward operation. Two things to note is make sure you're wearing your protective equipment while you're operating this, because it's dangerous to touch these chemicals and you don't want to get them in your eye. And then wrap the hose back up, and then the plug for the machine is on the other side. And we got our plug. Okay, so you just plug it in the wall.
It should have a ground.
It should have a ground, but we'll work on it.
Yeah.
All right, so again, this is for the Kaivac. Thank you.
Cool.